Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Kat Scrappiness, and I'm here to introduce our bone folder. Oh, love this Teflon bone folder that is new in store. As you can see here, there is Kat Scrappiness logo on it, and it is a bone folder that is also a scoring tool. So let me show you an example of what I mean. Here is my scoreboard, a little small scoreboard. You can use this point to score on your paper, like so. Turn it sideways, same thing, it scores very well. Then, with this same bone folder, you can take your paper, and the reason why you'd want to use a Teflon bone folder, if you don't use a Teflon bone folder, a lot of times your paper will crack. So you can take now the sides of it and just go like so to get a nice crisp edge. Let me do it again. Like so. Beautiful. So check out the details below for the Kat Scrappiness Teflon bone folder. Thanks so much for watching.